Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well in your lives. A festive makeup look that I'm gonna share with you today. This is a kind of look that you can wear for any Indian festival, especially if your outfit is purple or there is purple in your dress, or it doesn't matter whatever the color of your outfit is. If you want to do a purple eye makeup look, then this video is for you. So let's start the makeup now. I'll start off with the Sugar Pop Moisturizer having tea tree and C vitamin. It has a very gel-like texture. If you like to have that soapy brow effect, you can use this Swiss Beauty soap, which is just like the Beige soap. It just doesn't have any color or fragrance. To make it work, you have to apply a setting spray on it first. Then, with the help of the brush that comes with it, you just need to do this, and with the soap particles you shape your brows. For foundation, I'm gonna apply my Old and Gold Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. The shade is definitely light for me, but this is the only Maybelline Fit Me foundation I have currently, and I just had this urge to use this foundation, so we have to work it out, like applying some more bronzer or contour. Plus it oxidizes, so I really do not need to worry too much. It's like 2-3 shades lighter than my usual shade, which is 310, and this one is 128. It definitely gives a very dewy kind of a finish, and the coverage, if you apply a right amount, the coverage is like medium to high, not the full coverage, but yeah. And it is also buildable, so you can achieve that high coverage that you need for any festive or wedding guest makeup look. I'm specially applying the foundation once again on the places where I have pigmentation or dark areas. That would be my under eye area and the inner corners of my eyes, and on the sides of my nose, also sides of my mouth. The foundation did a good job, but not the best. I mean, it did not cover my under eye area or like inner corners of my eyes. So I'm going to use this concealer from Wet n Wild. It's their Photo Focus concealer, and the shade is light to medium. Using it on the required places. Now, ever so slightly, I'm gonna apply this powder from Wet n Wild, and I'm gonna dab it and push it inside so that no residue of powder stays sitting on my skin. I'll only set this area because on the respective places I'm gonna apply cream products. Like I'm gonna apply this cream blush from Flower Beauty, and then I'll also apply some cream bronzer and highlighter. For bronzing my skin, I'm gonna use this contour stick from K-Beauty. Now I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty's highlighting primer as a cream highlighter. It works great as a cream highlighter.
Now this product is very creamy and you can blend it with your finger to get maximum pigmentation. Now in summer, I like to use my setting spray in several steps during the makeup. As my base is done, I applied some setting spray on the face so that all the products melt down and the face looks smoother. Moving towards my eye makeup, I'm gonna use this new eye pencil from Pigment Spray and the shade is purple. This is the only pencil I got from Nika, which does not have any shimmer or metallic look. I wanted a matte pencil, but this one doesn't really give as that much of coverage that I wanted, but it's still good. It is matte, that's all I needed. To get some more pigmentation and make it look bright purple, I use a light purple matte shade on the top of it from Makeup Revolution Solfax Extra Spice palette. With the help of a small brush, I'm overlining the existing pencil mark. Here you can clearly see that I'm applying this purple shade only on the lash line, lower lash line and on the crease line. And the lid area, I'll be applying a shimmer pink shade. After being very happy with the shape that I wanted to create, I'm diffusing the outer edges with a light brown shade. Now I'm defining the outer corner using this dark plum shade. And once I'm happy with the pigmentation, I'm lining my waterline with the same purple pencil. For my lid, I'm taking the shimmery light pink shade from the same palette I used before. And to get good bright pigmentation of this shade, I'm using a dense small brush and applying only on the eyelids. But while doing that, the purple color from the lash line looked faded, so I reapplied the plum shade once again. Then I finally applied the light brown shade on my lower lash line so that no harsh line can be seen from the purple shade. Now I'm applying this well-known mascara from Maybelline and this is the waterproof one. Do not like waterproof mascara that much, but during summer you just can go out with a washable mascara. Then to have a very clean look, I'm cleaning the sides with a compact powder I used before. For coloring my brows, I took Beige brow cream and this is the shade Cheddar Cream, which is the exact match for my eyebrows. Now I'm applying a compact powder to set the under eye area, and by doing this I'm also brushing out some of the fallouts from applying eyeshadow. After finishing my eye makeup, I'm moving towards my face and here I'm applying bronzer. This one is from Wet n Wild, and this is a very good bronzer. It blends nicely. The color is really good for medium skin, and it is also pigmented that you can wear for any party or wedding. The blush is from Sugar, and this is a rosy pink shade. While choosing the blush, I'm keeping in mind the colors that I applied for my eye makeup and trying to match it to the extent it looks beautiful. Then we would like to add some glow on the highest points of our cheeks. If you like to do nose contouring, then do it keeping in mind your shape of the nose. I have a button nose, so I'm imitating my existing shape. Don't forget to add some highlighter on the tip and on the bridge of your nose to make it look pointy and cute. Now I'm lining my lips with a nude brown shade from Swiss Beauty, and for my lip color I'll be using even a lighter shade. That's gonna be a very vanilla brown shade and it's from Glam Gloss. It's a very drying matte lipstick, but the color is really good, so I sometimes do use it, but only with a brown lip liner, and I like to smudge both the shades into each other to avoid any awkward color difference. Finally, I applied a pair of false eyelashes, and this is the final look. I hope you liked it and you'll recreate this look for upcoming party or wedding function. I have few more wedding guest makeup looks on my channel. Do watch them, click on the playlist. Also, do subscribe to my channel if you're interested in watching makeup tutorials. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.